Let's go to Stephen from our home state of Tennessee. Stephen, how can we help you today?
Hey, so my wife agreed to go to the marriage helper workshop.
It's awesome.
We're getting that scheduled right now.
Great.
She did agree because I saw all your videos, and I read the articles online of how to basically get your spouse to come to the workshop.
Mm-hmm.
And so I said it would help out communication. It could help with co-parenting, and she did agree to come with me. She told me several weeks ago that she loves me, but she's not in love with me. And then another thing that I found out, and I didn't say this to the person, but I found out from my kids this morning, is my kids found out that she's talking to another man. And my kids lost it and told me what they said to her. And
which was what?
They said, "You're going to stop talking to him or you're going to lose us." And I was
how old are these kids?
Said that.
How old are the kids?
Teenagers.
And
Wow.
Teenagers.
Boys, girls?
Boy and a girl.
Good for them.
What ages?
15 and almost 13.
Give them both a hug from me.
That's so strong of them. You've raised good kids.
Yes, you did. Good for you.
I'll tell you, inside out, I felt like a yellow and blue ball. I was sad and proud all at the same time.
For sure.
I don't know. I'm trying to stand for my marriage. We've been married 19 years, 2 wonderful kids, and I think she was set back by that. But she did agree to go to the marriage, and I'm trying to stay and keep hope. My kids keep saying to fight for it, fight for it, fight for it, and
Good.
I'm just trying to keep on to that hope. And
when are you coming?
November, December.
Okay. Don't rock the boat between now and then, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And yes.
I'm trying to work on my pause. I'm working on my pause. I
Good.
downloaded the links. I'm working on Smart Contact, and trying to do what I'm supposed to do.
As soon as you register for the workshop, you'll get access to the entire membership. And so you'll have all of those toolkits that you can watch. You'll have the community that you can go to. You can even do a coaching session or 2 for yourself before the workshop to keep you calm. But to answer the question, the underlying question of this is there still hope even with all of this? Yes, absolutely. What you need to know, Stephen, is that you aren't and should not try to fix her or change her mind necessarily between now and the workshop.
Mm-hmm.
Let the workshop do that for you. The workshop environment creates a place that she will have a lot of opportunity to self-reflect and discover and see what the future can hold on her own. Stephen, people come on Friday with divorce papers and rip them up by Sunday. I'm not saying that's going to be your story in that short of a time span, but it does happen. And amazing things happen afterward. There is still hope. This exact situation that you're talking about is the common thing we see at our workshops.
Mm-hmm. And it said, I saw in your script up here that said that she's coming because of co-parenting. Just make sure she understands it's a marriage workshop. Yes, you'll learn a lot of things about co-parenting. It's very helpful for co-parenting. But we have discovered if a spouse walks into that workshop thinking it's a parenting workshop and then discovers it's a marriage workshop, they react badly. So make sure she knows it's a marriage workshop. But yes, you will learn a tremendous amount about co-parenting.
Absolutely. It will absolutely help with co-parenting. And Stephen, we can't wait to meet you and your wife when you come. Surely you're going to come in person. You live in Tennessee.
Yeah, if I may ask, what part of Tennessee?
Middle Tennessee.
Okay, so you're close to us. You're in driving distance.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have hope, Stephen? Have we helped your hope?
You have. I'm holding on to it and praying every day. And I've talked to my elders, and they've really been praying for me as well.
Good.
Good. I look forward to seeing you, my friend.
Yes.
Just
Thank
be
you.
cool. Be cool. Okay.
I will.
Be chill is how we say it.
Chill.
now.
Chill.
Well, that's how I say it. My kids would probably say a word like cooked or something. I don't know. They wouldn't say cooked. I don't know. I don't even know the new lingo these days. Riz. Be Riz. Have Riz. It means charisma.
I am totally out of this conversation.
Yep, me too. All right.